everyone, it's Erica with Craftinated, and today I'm going to be opening a mystery box from Archer and Olive. This was their Friday the 13th mystery box, which gave you 13 items. This mystery box was $75, I believe. I'm pretty sure it was $75. And then you could use a code. There was a wheel you could spin to change your luck, and you could get a better percentage off. I ended up having a 15% off coupon for it, so that's what I used. So I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. I'm really excited. Some of the things I've seen that other people have gotten have been awesome. They've been things from past sub boxes, just like all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to open this up. And I am an affiliate with Archer and Olive, and what that means is that I have a coupon code that I can share with you guys, which is Craftinated10, and I do receive compensation when my code or my link is used, and I will put my link in the description below, as well as my code, which is Craftinated10. So let's see what we have in here. I already see something from a sub box in here. That's so cool. So let's see. There's actually, I see a couple sub box things. Alright, so this is the cover. This was from the last sub box. It's really cute. It fits an A5 size journal. And it has this really fun gold closure. And I love that it has the ampersand on there. So let's see what else we have in here. Those are some pretty big journals, so that's cool too. I have a set of stickers. I don't believe I have this set currently. It doesn't say what they're called on here, so I don't know which ones they are, but they're really pretty colors. And then this is the washi tape that was in the last sub box, so that's like that desert one. And then I got a bunch of pens, and I'm sure that's what helps get that up to that 13 count, because that was what, 3 items. And let's see here. So a 3mm, these ones were discontinued. 3mm, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. So these were the sizes that were discontinued. This is like a blender pen, I think. Doesn't say. So let me see. So that was 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So let's go ahead and see what 12 and 13 are. So I'm not looking at the back because I don't want to ruin it for myself. So I'm not looking at what it says underneath. I was actually kind of hoping for a smaller one because I need one for work, but that's fine. I have one I can take. So let's see what we have in here. Ooh, it's one of the And You journals, and it's a really pretty color. I don't have anything in this yellow. That's super exciting. I'm actually really pumped about that. I have the teal one that I got with the And You. And I love that journal. So this is awesome. I also have the white ampersands, and now I have 3 ampersands. Now I wish I had them all. There's also a purple and a pink. So that's awesome. Really like that. Very excited. Don't have that one already. And this one's from the sub box. I could tell by the size. So this is the really big journals that they had in the second sub box. And they're so big. But I think this is, I can't remember if this is the lined one or not. We'll look. Because the lined one I'm using as an address book. So it would be cool to get a second one. Nope, this is the darker one. But that's alright because I love getting the special edition ones. So I'm actually really excited about what I got in this mystery box, because everything I've gotten besides the pens and the stickers were a part of limited releases. Although I think the And You journals are still available. So I have this really fun teal dot grid sailboat, which I love the cover of this. and it's just got these huge dot grid pages. I mean, massive. That's like to paint like a whole landscape, but really excited about that. And then the And You. So I feel like this was one of the better mystery boxes I've gotten in a while. Usually I end up getting a bunch of stuff I already have, and then I end up giving it away or saving it for like my husband's bullet journal. But this is super exciting. And then I have the washi from the desert, the ethereal desert, some pens, stickers, and then I have the A5 cover. So I am super excited about this. Did you guys get a mystery box from Archer and All of this time? I know people, it sold out super fast. Like it was like in the first couple hours or so, it sold out, and then they restocked, and then it sold out again, and a lot of people missed out on it. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. And as always, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And if you hit the bell below, you will get alerts when I put out new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye.